Hi guys, Bobby D here. Welcome to my video where today I'm going to show you a proven way where you can make $1,000 per week flipping domains. Now that sounds like a lot of money. Well, it is. And I can tell you why this works. It's because I used to do it. That used to be one of my businesses, was domain flipping. Now a lot of people think, oh, how do you do that? I'm going to show you a website that I go to, or a site where you can buy brilliant domains, some of them with hundreds of thousands of daily visitors, for $10. Okay, now I'm also going to show you how you can set this all up for free. It costs absolutely nothing to get this method looking and going. How you can earn a substantial income by flipping domains. It's easy, newbie friendly. I'm going to show you everything you need to do, and you can do this worldwide. And you can do this over and over and over again, as many times as you want. Now watch the video to the end, guys, because at the end I'm going to show you my secret way of where I get domains from. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly what I do, how I do it. I'm going to show you something that I've put together that you can easily get started tomorrow on this. I'll show you where you can buy domains for $10 and sell them for $125 over and over again. Now before we get started, guys, please do me a massive favour. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell. I want you to be part of my team. And if you hit the subscribe and bell, you'll get notified every single day when I upload a video. That means you get to see it first, you get to try it first, you get to make money first. And that is what this is all about. I want everybody to make money online. Now the other thing I'm doing for you guys here is I'm offering you some free training. I'm offering you 7 videos on how to set yourself up as an affiliate marketer like me. Right, 7 videos on how you can easily make money online. And it is easy once you know how. So watch the videos, guys. They're all free. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell. Let's jump into your training. Okay guys, welcome to my domaining course. Rob here. So where do I get a lot of my domains from? There's 3 places. I make the names up, as in I do some research and see what's current, or there's 2 go-to websites that I go to that do a lot of the work for you. So the first one is this one here. It's called expireddomains.net. This is 100% free, nothing to pay. And this is my go-to place for getting good domains. So how do they end up on here? 2 things happen. Domains get deleted, or people don't pay for them. They just get forgotten about. So what happens is someone will buy a domain. After a few months, they don't like it. They can't be bothered keeping it, so they just delete it from their domain provider, GoDaddy, etc. And then it goes into a big pot, or at the end of the 12 months, they don't pay for it, and it becomes what's called an expired domain, and it goes into the pot for the taking. So there are hundreds and hundreds of thousands of domains on these sites. Now, I only buy 99% of the time deleted, or sorry, .com domains, because that's what people want. .com gives you a global audience. If you do .co.uk or .net, you're just restricting yourself to traffic. So deleted.com. So go to this site, expireddomains.net. There's a little sign-in box here. You sign up. It's all free. Enter your screen name, your email address, confirm it via an email, and you're off and running. So this is me. I've already logged in. So the first thing you want to go to is just ignore all this. Or I can show you something here very quickly. So between 6 p.m. and 10 p.m, all the new domains go online, all the expired or deleted ones. These are the .com domains. There's currently 1.8 million on there, and yesterday 45,000 domains appeared. That's 45,000 chances of getting a good one. So you hit deleted.com. There. And what we do is this will bring up all the deleted domains here, which we're not interested in. We're going to go to show filter, and this is what you do.
domain name settings, you're going to click only characters. What that means is the domain that we're searching on will have no numbers in it, no hyphens, nothing at all. So it will only be characters like expired domains. It won't say expired hash domains, you know, expired underscore domains, because people don't search in it. We just want a flowing name, and ideally 2 separate names like that, expired domains. People like that. So just click only characters. The other thing I do is length. This is the length of the domain. Ideally, the shorter the better. I normally put 15 in there, and we see where we go. You can go a bit higher, you can go a bit lower, but 15 seems to be quite a good figure for getting some domains up. Now that is always ticking, only characters and length. So let's search on, let's type Bitcoin in just because it's current. So what this means here is, starts with means the letter that you want it to start with, or the word. So if I put Bitcoin in there, it would bring up all the domains that started with the word Bitcoin. So it would be Bitcoin affiliate, Bitcoin moneymaker. Ends with Bitcoin, so it would be money Bitcoin, affiliate Bitcoin. Or contains, which is what I use, it means somewhere within that domain name is the word Bitcoin. This is what you want to do. So domain contains Bitcoin, length 15, only characters. Hit return. So this brings them all up. There's 173 domains with the word Bitcoin in currently on the system. Some of these might not be available because people buy these every second. So if you see something you like, you've got to snap it up. So the first thing I do is go to here. BL means backlinks. So this will show me what domains have backlinks on. And the other important thing is to look at is this, ABY. So this is when the domain was first registered, the year of birth. The older, the better, because it means it ranks on Google. And the more backlinks, the better, because it ranks on Google. And this one has been bought, but just an example. kingbitcoincorp.com, 137,000 backlinks. So that is unbelievable. Made in 2016, so it's an aged domain. That's been sold. I wouldn't buy that. Well, I would buy it. I wouldn't buy it to sell it. kingbitcoincorp.com. It's too much of a mouthful. But if you had a blog about Bitcoins, and you called it that, kingbitcoincorp.com, and use some good keywords in there, it's got 137,000 backlinks, and it's an aged domain. That is free traffic straight away to your site. So let's go down here. I'm looking for something that's snappy, that people are going to want, people are going to remember. Drop the Bitcoin, not bad. Bitcoin buskers, boxed Bitcoins. Let's have a quick look down here, see if we can quickly find something, and then I'll show you what we do next. So basically, you've got to scan all of these expired or deleted domains. Bitcoin affiliate, I like that. So Bitcoin affiliate, great name for a blog. It's a great name if you're selling Bitcoins. So what I do is just cut and paste it. So the first thing you're going to do is get it appraised. So GoDaddy do an appraisal. Just type in GoDaddy appraisal. Put that in there. Bitcoin affiliate. Hit value. This is free to use. All right, Bitcoin affiliate, $938. I thought it'd be more than that. But what this does do is show you what comparable domains have sold. So Bitcoin Monopoly, Bitcoin Currency, Bitcoin Firewall. And it tells you a bit about it. The word Bitcoin is obviously a high value keyword. It's .com extension, which is what we want, and it's a short domain. So that's quite a good domain. If you're gonna write a blog or something, it's got no backlinks, but that doesn't matter. What I would do with this, if I was looking at selling it, I would buy this and 3 or 4 others and sell them as a bunch. So Bitcoin affiliate, let's just see how much it's for sale. So we go to GoDaddy, hit search. It's taken. So that's gone. It's been registered. So let's find another one quickly. Let's find another one. But you can see how simple this is. It's literally finding something that you like, valuing it, and if you like it, buying it. So free bet Bitcoin best is a bit of a mouthful, isn't it? Safe sell, no. Get Bitcoin smart. No, I don't like that. UK Trinidad Bitcoin. No. Let's have another look at the next page. So all you're doing is mining. You're mining for that next domain name. That's going to be good. It's a shame. Bitcoin. If that was Bitcoin Trader, that would have been a good one, but it's not. Bitcoin Mongers. My VIP Bitcoin. My VIP Bitcoin. That's not bad. Again, if you're using this for a blog, it's a really good name for a blog. My VIP Bitcoin. So let's see how much that's worth. We're going to value it at GoDaddy. So $1,121. Okay, not bad. Let's see if it's available. My VIP Bitcoin. Yeah, it's not a bad one. My VIP Bitcoin. Let's have a look. Put that back in there. It's not working for some reason. Okay, so you can buy that for 88 cents. See, this is why I'm saying you can make money. 88 cents, you can buy my VIP Bitcoin. Bitcoin has millions of searches a month on it, the word Bitcoin. You make a blog, my VIP Bitcoin, you're going to get free traffic to that blog. You put some affiliate offers on that blog, you're going to make money. $1,121. Now, I don't write blogs. What I would do with this is I would buy my VIP Bitcoin and I'd buy a couple of other ones. See if I can find another one. Flippedbitcoins.com. That's quite good. So let's quickly appraise that. Flippedbitcoins.com. £1,200. See if it's available. 88 cents. So you got $2,000 worth of domains there for under $2. This is how easy it can be, guys. So I'd buy the first one, I'd buy this, I'd probably buy another couple, and I'd sell them as a foursome, 4 domain names for $99. And it's going to cost me hopefully about $5 in total. That's what you need to do. So mine this, have a good look around it, go back to your filter, put your keyword in there, maximum of 15. If you're not finding many, make that 16 or 17. Only characters, and you're off and running. So that's how easy it is to find domains with this software and make money.
So like I said, guys, that is how you do it. Now, I can show you a way that is going to absolutely speed everything up you do. Now, this is a course that I put together. It's called Flipperdom. I've sold over 2,000 copies of this course because it works, okay? And I'll show you how I was able to, in total, I spent $111 and I made back $1,571. That is pretty good. I would easily buy domains for $10 and sell them for $125 every other day. I bought domains for $20, sold them for $249. My most I ever made, I bought a domain for $10 on GoDaddy. I sold it for $349, literally a couple of days later. And I'm going to show you everything that you need to do to make this work. Right, over the shoulder training, I'll show you all the sites to go to, what you need to do, and here are some of my figures here. I bought this domain, weightblogs.com, off that site that I've showed you earlier. It was valued at $1,868, and I'll show you how you can get your domains valued. But I'm always after a quick flip. I paid $10 for it, I sold it for $249. Dog Chat, I'll show you how to sell it quickly. I paid $10 for it, $99. Cat Chat, $149. Dog Help, $149. And then I had 3 domains that I couldn't sell. I bundled them together. It cost me $30. I sold them for $99. There are so many ways to get rid of these domains, guys. I'm going to show you everything you need to do. Okay, it's super easy. I normally sell this for $27. I'm doing it today for $12.95, guys. I usually charge $27, all right? I'm doing it for $12.95 on Flipperdom. Grab a copy today. The link is below, all right? Make sure you grab it. It's a no-brainer. It's an absolute no-brainer. If you want to make some quick, easy income, then Flipperdom is for you. So that's it. I'm Bobby D. Thank you for listening to my videos. I really appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.